This is the Autumn Skies Try Me kit. It comes with everything you need to get started with the Chalk Couture project. You'll get a surface, a transfer, 2 individual paste packets, and a squeegee. Mark the back side of your transfer with a name or description. This will tell you which side not to put your transfer on after cleaning and drying. You'll want to fuzz your transfer to make it a little less sticky. A towel or t-shirt will work great. Position your transfer on the surface and smooth to make sure you don't have any air bubbles. For the individual paste packets, knead the packet before opening to make sure it's mixed well. Squeeze the paste onto a plate or little container. Have a baby wipe or paper towel nearby in case you get it on your fingers. Now use your squeegee to apply the paste to the white areas of the transfer. Apply plenty and then use the squeegee to scrape off the extra. I like to start in the middle of the transfer and work out. Apply paste and scrape off extra. You want to work quick enough that the paste doesn't dry in the silkscreen to avoid pulling the paste up from the background. If you're working on a larger project, you can always paste and peel, lifting each section as you go and then placing that part of the transfer back down. And that's it. Just peel up your transfer. Try to pull up straight across and not diagonally to avoid stretching the transfer. The transfers are reusable 8 to 10 times, so you want to keep it in good condition. Isn't it cute? Feel free to leave questions in the comments and please like and follow this page. If you're not part of my VIP page, I'll leave a link in the comments. Thanks for watching.